Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to fold down your Toyota Tundra's back seats. This simple guide will help you quickly create more cargo space in your truck. First, ensure there are no items on or behind the seats that could obstruct the folding mechanism. Clear out any floor mats or personal belongings to ensure a smooth process. This preparation step is crucial for easy seat manipulation. Now let's start with the seat bottoms. For most Tundra models, you'll find a fabric loop or a small lever at the front or side base of each rear seat. Gently pull this loop or lever upwards. This action releases the latch holding the seat bottom in place. Once unlatched, you can lift the seat bottom up and back, positioning it against the front seats or in an upright, folded position. With the seat bottoms out of the way, it's time to fold the seat backs. Look for a release strap, often red or black, located near the top corner of the seat back or a lever on the side. Pull this strap or lever firmly to disengage the seat back's lock. Once released, gently push the seat back forward and down. It should fold flat, creating a level surface for your cargo. To return your seats to their original position, simply reverse the process. First, lift the seat back firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely latched upright. Then, lower the seat bottom back into its original position, pressing down slightly until it also latches. Always double-check that both the seat backs and seat bottoms are fully locked before driving for your safety.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.